What is up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing Longtube headers on the truck. So recently I got these new headlights, and then I recently put this cold air intake in as well. And now up next is these Longtube headers right here. We got them from Breezy's Performance. I did get the 1/7/8, so we're going to go ahead and install those today and then go to the exhaust shop tomorrow to get the headers welded and everything. And then all that's left to do is get a tune. So yeah, let's get to it. So first things first, you're gonna want to take your spark plug wires out like that. So that's one side, and then we gotta do this side, take them out as well. That way it won't be in the way when we take the header out. Alright, so up next we're gonna start taking off these bolts right there, as you can see down right there. So yeah, we're gonna start taking them off. So what I like to do is I like to leave the truck running for 5 to 10 minutes. That way it could just warm up, and it makes the process a little bit easier. I see people use a torch as well. I mean, either or could work. But yeah, you like to warm up those bolts first. If not, if you try to take them off when they're cold, they're gonna snap on you. So it's really recommended to let the motor warm up or use a torch to warm up the bolts. All right, y'all, already got one side done. As you can see, already bolted on. All we got left to do is take off this one and install the other one that's in here. I remember the first time doing this, I don't remember it being this hard, but for some reason this one's a little difficult. I don't know why, maybe because the truck is tall, but yeah, we're getting there though. All right, we got the passenger side out now. All I have to do is take these O2 sensors out from both of them and install them on the headers. And we just gotta install this bad boy right here and we should be good to go. Yeah, so this sucks. It's freaking hot. I'm sweating like crazy. And yeah, we're getting there though. We should be done here in 30 minutes to an hour or so. Hopefully less. I'm tired. I can't wait to hear when the exhaust is welded on. Right now it's gonna be on open headers, so it's gonna sound a little rough, but it is what it is. We're finally done. Spark plug wires back in, headers bolted on. Same thing on this side, you can see. So I would start it up right now, but it's on open headers, so it's gonna sound really rough and really loud. And I'm not trying to piss off my neighbors because it's already nighttime. So I'll start it up tomorrow morning, because I'm gonna go to the exhaust shop tomorrow anyways. So I'll give you a start up on the open headers, and then I'll start up again once the headers are welded back on. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. All right, y'all, it is the next day. We're gonna go to the exhaust shop to get the headers welded on. And let's see if I can remote start it, because I saw in some videos that you can't remote start it after you install Longtube headers. So let's give it a try. This is open headers as well. God damn. Holy shit. So loud. Right now it's not loud because I'm coming to a stop, but once I step on it, it's gonna be so loud. It'll sound 10 times better when we get to the shop and get the headers welded on. So I can't wait to hear it once everything's welded on. So I'll catch y'all when I'm at the shop. We finally got the exhaust welded on. I'll finna let y'all hear it with it all welded all together now. Earlier it was open headers, but I can't remote start it because it has a check engine light. So once I get it tuned and the check engine light gets taken care of, I can finally remote start it.